Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been quite a few days now. We both have been busy. And today we'll be cherishing and talking about this freak of a cricket player who's finally said goodbyes to cricket. Yeah, I'll jump right in. Shreyank, let's talk straight about what are your early memories of ABD, man?
Early memories, that 2007 World Cup when India went all the way through. That was one of my earliest memories of EBD. We were like, what, 10 years old that time? 10, 11, 11 years old. And I remember him, hitting some, even if, though he was lanky and, skinny and all, he could hit those big sixes, isn't it?
It's just about
It's
technique.
it was we could see that, okay, there might be something, some heck of a player in him. And over the time after that, whenever I've watched him, he was just, superhuman, isn't it? Superhuman is the word you can put, put a tag on ABD as a player and as a cricketer.
Most
What
rightly.
about you?
As ABD is like my super favorite. But people who knows me know that he's my favorite cricket player, or just a
Hmm.
sportsman for that reason. So my early memories actually it goes down to 2005-6, like you said, around the same time.
Hmm.
They used to play against Pakistan. It was all Bank Alfla and all those. I remember, and the UAE is
Yeah,
already
yeah,
in Pakistan. He had
yeah.
that different. Different trigger back then. It was a little similar to Jacques Callis.
Yeah,
So,
Callis and yeah,
yeah,
KP also.
KP also
Yeah,
sort of. So that
yeah.
trigger. So, my dad is a cricket player. So he just told me this. There's this guy called as ABD. He's freak. You can look up to him if you want. He just said that straight away. He bats
Hmm.
well. He's also stylish. Those blonde, spiky hair.
Yeah, huge air. Yeah,
The more than what really I really love about ABD is you can apply his the demeanor not just in cricket, in other walks of life as well. How he's maintained his stature even after getting such a big name in the world cricket. He's just been
yeah.
phenomenal. Everything he does, he keeps his things simple, gives his 100%. His fielding is top class. He can field anyway. He keeps also and he balls also. So he's just a complete
Package.
cricket player.
Yeah.
So there's that. And I wanted to ask an important question here. Why do you think all these ICC trophies and IPL trophy has evaded him so far? He's never been able to get one. What's your thought on that?
Again, I associate somewhere the South African team that he was part of for so many years. There was one period when South African team was like mad. It had Herschel Gibbs opening, it had Jack Collis, it had Graham Smith, it had ABD, it had Boucher on his peak, Morkel brothers and Dale Steyn, and all the etc. etc. Top players. I see a situation that India is right now without
Mhm.
the proper leadership. Okay, Kohli has been good in test, but then ICC trophies has evaded him also. I feel, see, our team star-studded. Indian team, anywhere they go, they start off as favorites. It was the same with South Africa, and right up there when it was the crunch moments, the crunchiest of moments in tournaments and knockouts.
They
There's
choke.
something that lacked in South Africa. Okay, they choked, exactly. They were known
They
as
choke.
chokers for a reason,
They did
because
choke.
they start off almost every tournament as one of the favorites, and
And
then in the
they do live up to that expectation until that very last point.
exactly that one that they talk about how to capitalize the pressure situation, isn't it? Each and every moment becomes an greater effect on the game.
Hmm.
So it's same way, if you don't capture the right moments in the game and then pull back things, or accelerate or something like that, things start to fall apart for us. So same thing happened with South Africa, I feel.
So
That's
that is
because even though with his superhuman efforts, there was something that was missing. Either the bowling won't click, the batting won't click, or something or the middle. They used to just fall short.
himself has actually had the chance to take his team forward. I remember in 2015 World Cup, he couldn't grab the balls. He couldn't grab the ball. But he couldn't
Exactly.
grab the ball. It's just crazy like that. So
Pro-
talking about,
yeah,
yeah, go ahead. You wanted to add something?
probably that 2015 semi-final loss has to be one of the most painful loss he has ever felt, because
Yeah.
we saw everyone was in tears, because they played some amazing cricket up
Okay.
till then. I mean, that was fantastic. And then they also had a team, and it was an aging team. It was the golden generation's last chance.
Last
The
chance.
golden generation's last chance. And then somehow, if ABD could not hold on to his catches that day, I don't think anything would have saved
He just run
this.
out. So it's sad, but then he couldn't grab any. But like they say, trophies are just there for the records, or records will be broken someday. Trophies will be won someday. But it's the
Hmm,
impact that he has on people's life that matters. So
100%.
when we talk about ABD, if you don't talk about RCB and his connection, it just doesn't justify, right? So yeah,
Yeah,
we
there's
both
a
are like,
reason why we have that picture
yeah,
on the background.
picture on the background.
Because
So, yeah, so we both are like crazy, RCB fans. So how hard it is going to be to watch IPL without ABD, man? Just we grew up watching
I,
him.
I remember, we used to have this conversation all these years since, the 6 years that we have known each
Hmm.
other. We always were like, okay, if nobody does it, everybody will come and do it, isn't it? That one
It's
factor
always been the case,
was
yeah.
he was Mr. Dependable for us.
Hmm.
RCB, he carried our team for years, literally years. He did whatever the team asked him to do as a batsman, as a fielder, as a wicket keeper, as a senior player, trying to bring these junior kids to up their game during the games and everything matches. So he it's almost like how Messi Barca without Messi is. It's the
Hmm.
same for RCB without ABD.
It's gonna-
That's how that's one of the most apt ways we can tell about the stature he was created. We as a fans are asking a South African statue to be installed
Yeah,
outside Chinnaswamy. So
Chinnaswamy. So that
imagine the
shows
love he had.
the love and the respect. I remember this match. It's on YouTube as well. You guys can check it out. India versus South Africa at Mumbai, in Mumbai, in Wankhede. There's this crowd goes berserk and crazy when everybody walks in against India.
Yeah,
This shows.
exactly.
Imagine a country like India. We are crazy cricket fans, and then somebody, a South African,
Right.
comes in and he gets that kind of an adulation. It's just
Yeah.
crazy how good the man is.
Absolutely. It was not just that Mumbai game. Mumbai game was fascinating because him and Duplessis, they tore us apart that night. They just took all of the ballers to the cleaners, and
And
then
Duplessis was injured
even
as well. He was injured, I
exactly,
believe. He was injured,
exactly.
and they
So
were.
it was just fascinating. And then it was the same. He also told about the same during South Africa versus some other team's match in T20 World Cup. And the whole crowd was going ABD in Indore or Nagpur, if I'm not wrong. He was like, it is just surreal to see, fans of the other fans of other countries, that is India, the host nation, they're coming out and cheering for us. And for me, it just felt, rarely, people drop their tribal behavior when it comes to team and their support. But then it's only for special players like ABD that people will stand up and clap and give a standing ovation to the master at work.
It's just the pinnacle of success, I believe.
Yeah,
And would it
absolutely.
be fair if I say he's the greatest modern day batsman?
Yeah, again, it is not talked enough, to be fair. The way we talk about the top four, Virat Kohli, Joe Root,
Bravo.
Kane Williamson, and this guy. Who's the other guy?
Smith.
I forgot. Steven Smith. Yeah. So we talk about them for past, 10 years, 10, 15 years as if they have been, on top. But then ABD has been consistent with all his performances all throughout the format.
Because all the formats.
Absolutely
That's
all
what's
through the format.
crazy.
It is an amazing, it's a crime not to discuss ABD right up with their top four what we talk about, because I feel sometimes the top four gets undeserved attention sometimes.
This man
I
has
feel ABD
been.
has been looked has been overlooked a couple of times, and then clearly if you talk about the modern game and you don't talk about ABD and his genius, it is a crime. It is a disgrace to the sport itself if you don't consider him right up there at the top of in his game.
It's just him leaving is a big loss to cricket, actually. Big
Yeah,
loss to cricket.
exactly.
But then
He was
everything, yeah.
they talk about how a player becomes the this thing ambassador for the game. He was
He's
that
also
guy. He was the
that's
ambassador
cricket.
for the cricket game. Wherever he went, He just attracted the crowd. He pulled people, to watch the screens when he came out to bat, and then it's just fascinating. The other one thing that I really love about him is his evolution as a player and his technique,
Hmm.
isn't it?
Just
Like
gotten
he
better
has
and better.
exactly like Bruce Lee had a saying, "Be water, my friend. Be a water. You take the shape.
Absolutely.
Water takes the shape of whatever situation or container that you have put in." ABD was that guy. You wanted a 30 ball 70, ABD is there.
He's got
You
30
want a
ball
200 ball,
100. He's got a 30,
yeah,
32 ball 100.
32 ball 100, you called ABD. You want a 200 ball 60 runs, ABD was the guy. You
Hmm.
wanted, someone to steady the ship and then accelerate in the end, you had ABD. I mean, for every scenario, he played for
That's the
every
game. That's
scenario,
the game.
no matter what.
And yeah.
We reserve some top four players for a certain style of play. ABD was not the guy. He was the hard hitter. He can finish games. He can come in at number three and play the, as the linchpin between the two middle order and the top order. Then he could come off as a this thing, for those quick cameos where you want last 2 overs, you need 30-40 runs. He's there. So this is one thing that really stood out in him as a player, and
It's
we will
just
miss him.
that I actually model my batting, stance on ABD. I can
Hmm.
really, it's so difficult to crouch low, but then a guy like him is a natural talent.
Yeah,
He's got a lot of natural talent. He's just channeled it in the right way. So
yeah,
people, a few might think it's whatever he does is easy. A few might also say he's playing at Chinnaswamy, a flat track, and all those nonsense. But he's done it all over the world. He's done it more consistently, is what that matters. Oh, year after year,
exactly.
like you mentioned.
Yeah, that's why I feel he's underappreciated by people sometimes. ABD is
Hmm.
overlooked. He's sometimes people just see the T20 aspect of it, because we have seen the other games also. Test cricket. You remember him and Faf du Plessis against Australia when
The
they had to draw that
marathon,
match.
yes.
That was a
Adelaide,
marathon inning, marathon.
Adelaide Test match. That was.
Yeah, exactly. And then that just shows if you are a person that can adjust to any scenario, you can take this aspect of his game into our life also. Like any scenario, you don't have to panic. You have to just back your ability and push forward, and also make sure that you don't lose your cool. And I've rarely seen ABD lose his cool, isn't it?
Yeah. We've rarely seen him drop catches. We've rarely seen him lose his
Exactly.
cool. That man
Yeah.
is amazing. Yeah.
Uh, when if WhatsApp forwards have been written on him as that he's a badminton player, hockey player,
Yeah.
golf, rugby, and everything.
He
So
categorically
imagine
denied it actually. He said,
exactly.
I'm not, but he's had his hand, he's tried his hand in everything, but he isn't, he said that. But he's also a good
Yeah,
golfer, I'm told. He plays golf really well.
yeah. But the WhatsApp forwards said that he was a
He's,
national champion in majority of the things,
he's got a
state
high school
champion.
picture of him. It's his high school picture of him, and he's got that. But
Exactly.
then
So
that man is,
if people have to talk so highly about him, is that he fabricates some of the facts. You imagine what is the picture that people had in their
had in,
minds.
it's just that crazy natural talent and love he's gained over the years. It is going to be a big blow. I'm really, sad that he's not going to be on the field. But then it's his call. Yeah, although I personally believe he could have played another season so
Yeah,
easily.
we
But
spoke
then,
about it. Yeah.
yeah, it's his call. He calls it quit. That's cool. But I also wanted to address this. Few people called him when he quit international games and started playing franchise ones as the guy who plays cricket for money or sold his country
Yeah.
basically. So this point really shows them why he isn't that fellow. He could have easily
Yeah.
played for 3 seasons and made millions of money. Even if RCB didn't retain him, he could have gone into the auction, made millions of money. Then he
Mm.
decided, no, my game isn't good. Actually, I don't know how he gauges his game. I think he thinks really high. Just one bad half
Yeah.
season in UAE,
Yeah.
decided, no, my time's done. So
Yeah.
what's your take on
That
that?
Hey, I'll tell you one thing. That is the difference between practical, rational people and the emotional fools that Asians are.
Hmm.
Majority of us also, including Indians, Pakistanis, Bangladesh, Sri Lankans, whoever. Asians are generally these emotional people. But then just to come up to a at the stage of your life, in 2018, I remember calling you up and then we spoke about his retirement as why is he
Shocker.
doing it? He's still
Yeah.
yeah, exactly, an absolute shocker. And he could have still, played top level of cricket even at that, whatever age he was at when he retired. So it just, I guess he was fed up with all the things that was being talked about around him. Cricket South Africa and its, past and how they act, past, present, and future. We can see that they have been consistently fooling around with their chances, by putting in some, illogical, criteria for the game and for the playing of the team. That is a separate video that we have to do.
We have
But
to
then
make, we will
the
submit.
moment you realize that you're eating up someone's space, and you can let another youngster come through and develop his game, to leave it at that point is very, it takes a great deal of courage to, because people feel entitled at one point when they reach one stage of their life. And then if you feel entitled and you still are,
There are. Let me cut you in. There are living examples of that. Let's not go too much into it. Our channels
we,
might get banned. Yeah.
we don't want to get cancelled. I got cancelled 3-4 days back when I made
Yeah.
a tweet. So yeah, I just don't want to get cancelled on YouTube also.
So yeah, carry on. Yeah. So to
Yeah, so
leave,
exactly. To leave at that point takes a whole new, courage, and also, clarity of thought, and to be a man who, who wants to dedicate his further whatever life he has remaining for the family. It takes a huge deal of this thing,
but then
sacrifice that he
clarity
had
of
that.
mind, clarity of mind. As
Hmm.
and also have you noticed all these great players, Ricky
Hmm.
Ponting, AB de Villiers, and even Rahul Dravid for that example, for that matter. They just
Hmm.
failed in 2, 3, 4 games, and they just decided,
Call it
okay,
quits.
my time's done. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
So that's what I'm telling. No, any rational, practical people will see what is happening, and then they'll try and at least, produce another talent so that the team is not suffering because of them.
them.
The moment you feel that other 10 guys are being let down by me, and to walk away from that point, it is not everyone's cup of tea. And some people take it on their ego to continue, and they're like, no, it will come, it will come, it will come. If you have one good innings in 15, what is the point of you
What is the
playing
point?
playing in the team?
Why I
If,
bought
if
why I bought this point up was every individual is different. Everyone can take their own decision. But few people called him, he played for the money. So I just wanted to,
yeah,
put it on table that he didn't.
yeah,
So
you
yeah,
know how people are, isn't it? They just want to be reactive, and it's easy nowadays with social media to point at him, point fingers at anyone who
yeah.
is doing, even if he's doing good. If he does one thing, something that is not in line with their their thoughts or their vision, they are just completely cancelled. Then they are called out as, playing for money, playing for his own self. And that is something that is should not be associated with a great player like ABD.
Okay. Well, and on that note, it's a big blow to RCB. They've got a lot of thinking, a lot of scouting to do come the next auction. Let's do a
Yeah,
separate video on that in the future. So as of now,
exactly.
ABD, thanks for all the great memories. We've loved you.
Yeah,
We've loved growing up watching you. It's just that you have a special place in our heart, in my heart
yeah,
especially. Everybody,
absolutely.
everybody that. So yeah, we wish you all the best in your future endeavors. And yeah, guy like you can't stay at home. You have to be associated with cricket at some other
Imagine,
level, probably coaching or to
coaching.
take time and come back. So we wish you all the best. And Shreyank, yeah, we want to add something?
Yeah, I mean, these are certain ambassadors of the game should not be away from the game for long. Okay, he might take the 2-3 year break, give family his time, and then finish spending whatever he wants to do in his life, and
Hmm.
then try and come back into the coaching, because it's just a joy to see his his presence in the
Yeah, exactly.
in any form in the game. And we will really miss him, especially as RCB
RCB
fans,
fans.
and also as the student of this game. It is a real pleasure to have watched him play,
Awesome.
and play for our team especially. And it would really be a huge loss for us. And we hope to see you soon in some sort of uh, you know uh, some sort of way in the game
Coach,
as well.
as a coach, as a commentator, but please don't.
Exactly.
Obviously, wouldn't be staying guy like him. So yeah, And again, man, thanks for joining this special episode.
Pleasure.
Always a pleasure to have you. Cheers, guys. Also, please don't like to share, subscribe, and like our content. And if you truly like what we do, give it a like. Thanks again. Cheers.
Yeah, it's a, see you. Man.